Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're out offshore off Cape Moreton chasing pelagic today. Let's get straight into it. Not a bad size one. We're going to release this fella and then... Yeah, dolly. Hey, first dolly. Yeah, how's it feel, mate? Yeah, pretty good.
See him busting up.
Oh, good to do it now?
I can see my back.
Is your barrel arm over?
Yeah.
Yeah, just let him swim away.
Watch him, he's gonna tumble over.
Oh. Come on. Come on. Yeah, dolly. There he is, he does it. Yeah, he's jumping around. Oh, hey.
Yeah, Jackson. Chuck him on the other side, Jackson.
There we go.
Keep you alive, you're alive.
Guys, got a dolly on. Acrobatic one.
You do all this for a second, the line out.
He took that, he smashed that live yakka. Oh, here he comes. Oh, alright. Come here, mate. Can't turn his head. There we go.
Pull him with a rod. There he is, he's a good one. That's it. Oh, I guess we're on the line, do you know?
Got him.
There we go.
There we go.
Good one.
Nice dolly. We'll get some videos and stuff on for you. Alright guys, first dolly on board. Pretty decent size one too. We're going to keep this fella. And yeah, we'll get a measure on him. And yeah, get the lines out and get in some more.
Like the one I've got on.
Yeah. Oh yuck, his guts all over me, man. Alright guys, I'm just going to get another livey. I'll show you how I rig them up. Let me just grab a livey out quickly. He'll do. So I'm just going to show you how I rig them up. So put them, get the hook, circle hook, put it straight under here and out through his nose. And that's how we just rig them up, and we let them swim around. And yeah, we just feed it out to them and they seem to love it and just run away with it. There you go. Same, I'm on. Double hook up. Yeah, Jackson's got aerial jump. Mine hasn't jumped yet. Holy moly, mine's peel and drag.
You got him? Yeah, you got him.
Mine had a couple good runs on him. Mine hasn't surfaced or jumped at all yet. There we go. Get the first look at him.
Bring it in. Oh, you got him. Just keep the tension on him. You've definitely got him. Yeah, you've 100% got him.
There we go, nice dolly right here.
That was a very good video. Did he pick up the gap or did he lift job?
Lift job. Got it. There we go. Another nice dolly. Another nice dolly.
Spin the boat.
Nice legal size. Look at the colours on this fella.
Jackson's is a bit bigger.
Look at the colours on this fella. If you guys can see that.
Got a shark. You've seen it?
Good. Nice dolly. We'll sort him out and we'll see what Jackson's got. We're gonna have a pretty good feed. Oh, you haven't got one of these before, have you?
No.
Yeah, that's a good one. There you go, he's heel and drag. Hey, first dolly.
Yeah,
How's it feel, mate?
Yeah, pretty good, pretty good.
That's a pretty good size one. We're gonna measure on them all later, but yeah, we're gonna get our lines back out and sort this guy out, and we're gonna be having a good feed. Alright guys, the FAD's got a bit busy with boats here because it is a really nice day out here. We're gonna go on a troll for a bit, we reckon. We'll leave the dollies alone. We might come back a bit later. Not sure yet, but we'll see how the troll goes. Yeah, that's good. Come on, come on. I'm recording too. Who's that? Come on. I don't know if I'm recording on my GoPro. Is the GoPro recording?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wonder what it is.
It's probably just a Mac tuna, but
Oh well, still better than nothing.
it might be, if we get real lucky, it might be a longtail, because there was a few longtails in the water. This is mental.
Oh, it has some weight to it.
We might get sharked, eh? It's just...
Oh,
It's
here
tuna.
it comes.
Tuna for sure, eh? Just don't know what type. I'm hoping it's a longtail. You're so...
Died. Oh, come on. I don't want him to get sharked.
I know, that's what I'm worried about.
He's still pulling. How deep is it? 40 meters. Let's see if I can go. Oh, there we go. There we go. Getting him up.
Can't believe this place is big wide today.
Yep. Oh, he's going off again. Now here he comes. Ah. Bit of fun.
Oh, it's a tail tuna. That's why he was biting so hard. It's a good size one.
Oh,
That's
there you
why
go,
it's
guys.
so hard, 'cause you hook him in the butt.
There you go. Nice mac tuna. Oh, there's the bait that they're chasing. Little white baits. So that's the bait they're trolling around. And it's pretty similar size to the jig I'm throwing, so
These two, so yeah.
that's why you probably took that one.
Not a very live live.
Alright guys, that's the mac tuna. Not a bad size one. We're going to release this fella because they're not the best eating. Let's get him off. Off he goes. Alright guys, as I got that mac tuna overboard, this is the little white bait he spat out. So as you can see, it's pretty much identical to what we're throwing at him. That's a big thing when you're throwing slugs into tuna schools. Try and match the bait they're throwing. So that's pretty much bang on. So then we're gonna chase some more schools around and see if we can get some more. Hey Hey guys, we made it back home now. We decided to call it a day because the tuna weren't playing the game anymore and it was starting to quiet down. But can't complain, we had some fun with the dollies earlier. We got a couple good 80 centimeter models and a couple good 70 centimeter models. So can't complain about that. And yeah, we're going to try and get some more videos up in the next couple of weeks. So stay tuned for that and have a good one.